We have a weird doorbell.
Hi guys! Hey everyone, welcome to our house. Pan, and this is our house. Our neighbors are over there, and there's the parking lot, and then this is our porch to our house. Yes. Let's go inside. This is the entrance to our house. We have a bathroom over here. It's very small. Very long, so long. Let's show you up.
What's over there, Aubrey?
Shoes. Over here is the shoes, and then these are our coats. Because of course it's like winter here in Japan.
We have storage up there.
Yeah, storage up there. And then here we have our car seats and the luggage. And then we have a small little area right here.
This is called the Harry Potter closet.
Why is it called the Harry Potter closet?
Because it's the closet under the stairs.
I'm so tall. Why am I And then
What's this door?
this door? You can't not see anything, but it's the kitchen. We have and we have some loaner furniture around here. We got a basket from our friend, and then we got some bread over here, and then we ordered some Pizza Hut, and we got their new brownies.
What's in here?
And then there is our washer and dryer, and then we have the storage. We also have the fridge, and then we have the freezer. I don't know why we have
The pantry. Then we have a swinging door.
this, and then there we just put some things there. And then we have our table here. As you can see, I'm growing up plants. And then here we have the living room. We have a living room here. And the couches are kind of comfy. And then we need to play a little bit more.
This is our backyard.
Yeah, this is our backyard. We can't go out yet because we're in quarantine because we just moved here. So, yeah. We already have like 2 friends on here already. And then here we have the staircase.
Aubrey, you gonna go?
In our room. So we're gonna start with Ari's room, and then and then we're gonna go on. I'm gonna show you around. All right. So once you get to the top of here, you see a whole bunch of rooms, and if you're confused, then we can show you around. This is Aria's room. She has a beautiful view. She even has a little lamp here that doesn't work.
It's not plugged in.
Yeah, it's not
Her
plugged in.
closet.
Then we're gonna go to Aubrey's room.
Yeah, Aubrey gets to show her room.
So this is my bedroom, and I love to make my bed every day so I don't get in trouble. So that way I'm making my bed. She loves JoJo, and so she has JoJo sheets and pillowcases.
And this is her closet.
It's humongous. It's humongous. Right? You're obsessed with JoJo? Because I love it. You love JoJo's Secret. And then we're gonna go to our parents' room. Oh, never mind. We're going to my room. This is my room right here. I have a small closet. I've heard of a bomb. Then I have a picture from Guam that and I have a picture from Guam. Cheese! And then I have my bed here, which is super comfy, guys. And nice. And then I have some things to decorate it with. And then we go into the bathroom. Yeah, so the bathroom doesn't have a light in here. You can just switch on it.
It's on the wall.
Yeah, it's on the outside of the wall. This is the bathroom. It's very small as the bottom one, but it's kind of larger than the bottom one. And then this is what it like. Well, and this is what it's like when you close the door.
A pretty deep tub.
Yeah, you can even kind of see a person's like clothes. Like I'll show you. Wow. Yeah. And then this is our parents' room. They have a humongous closet, and they have a humongous bed. I think out of all the kids' room, I think the biggest one is my room. I think the bigger one is my room. And then they have a bathroom right here. Oh, that's the vent. Really?
It's time.
And then they have this, so they don't have like a bathtub, but they have this, a little shower. I've never kind of seen this shower before. It's like
Open it.
locked. It's like
Stop.
locked. Oh. And then this is what it looks like on the inside.
So this right here is the shower head. And you can pull it out and you can make it lower for if you guys take a shower. And then if you've got taller people, you can put it in here and you can move it up or down.
Our house is awesome.
Right.
We have a friend that lives across the street from us, but on the right side. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe.
We're
Bye.
going to do that.